I started my journey early in the morning, passing through the windmills and the beautiful mountains. A typical ghat section where I had to go through lots of hairpin curves. And surprisingly, early morning, the mountains were filled with heavy traffic. I was heading from Shimoga to Mangalore. On the way, I could see many people who were heading for their daily routine with their unique vehicles. And the mesmerized beauty of the rivers formed across the street surprised me, and it was a beautiful view. As I was driving through these mountains, all of a sudden I came across an elephant. I was unaware of this place. Then I realized that this was an elephant camp. Since it was an early morning, I just made a quick stop and grabbed the tickets to make an entry. This place is known as the Sakrebailu Elephant Camp. Few kilometers far from the Shimoga. As I walked into the nature of the elephant camp, I was mesmerized with the beauty of the nature. It was quite cloudy day, and I was happy to see this elephant bathing next to the river. I had a goosebump when an elephant was walking just few centimeters next to me, stating that we all are one, need not be afraid. This camp is a really spectacular place where we all have to definitely visit. This place is known as the Sakrebailu, the Elephant Camp. Chiku Chickitail had a few moments here and a quick visit. I hope you do visit this place and also remember Chiku Chickitail was here.